In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy Delta Airline gift card. So with those people who do not know Delta Airlines, basically Delta Airlines is an airline company of United States and you guys can easily get a gift card online. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, you're watching One to Step YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And let's get right into the video, shall we? So the first step is you want to search for Delta Airline gift card. And you want to click on the first thing where it says travel gift card Delta Airlines. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the official website of Delta Airlines. Once you're over here, scroll a bit down and click on buy a gift card. Once you click on buy a gift card, it's going to give you an option over here like this. So you want to go on where it says e-gift card, which means email gift card. If you want a physical, you can click on it. But since I want a e-gift card, I'm going to choose this. Once you're over here, choose your quantity. I'm going to go for one and enter the amount. I want a $300 one, so I'm going to enter 300. Over here you want to enter a recipient's name. I'm going to enter that, and you want to enter the sender's name over here, and over here you want to enter the recipient's email, which means the person who's going to receive this gift card. So I'm going to be sending it to myself, so I'm going to write my own email over here real quick, and I'm going to write the same email over here to confirm it. You also need to do that. Done it. After you do that, if you want to add a message, you can add it, but if you want to leave it empty, you can leave that empty as well. And then you want to click and continue. After you do that, it's going to ask for your payment detail over here. Entering your payment detail, you just want to click on accept the e-gift card and click on complete purchase, and basically your purchase will be complete. So that's basically how you guys can buy the Delta Airlines e-gift card. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.